Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh. So guys, today I am going to make potato vegetables, and this vegetable is called Istu. Potato Istu. It means aloo ka Istu. So let's see how Istu is made. So dish is Istu, but recipe is mine. Means I have thought of anything. So let's take a look how I'm going to make. So I have put on my apron. Now I'm going to start my cooking. First of all, let me tell you what items I have taken to make potato Istu. Here we go. So guys, in order to make potato Istu, I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes, as you can see here. This is my chopping board, and I have taken 3.5 medium sized onions. I will take maybe 1 inch or 1.5 inches of ginger, some garlic cloves, some these red chilies and bay leaves, and of course for seasoning some coriander leaves. So first of all, I am going to peel these all the 3 medium sized potatoes, and after that I will cut them into maybe cubes or something. Let's see what it turns out to be, and then I will start my process, guys. Thank you very much. Here we go. Fine guys, so now I am going to peel these potatoes, and in order to peel I have this knife also, and I have this old peeler also. So first I am going to try this peeler to check whether I am able to peel with the help of this or not. So though I am not in the habit of peeling or cooking every day, however I think I am able to do, and it is happening very smoothly. See how easily I am peeling it. It means I know the technique to peel, or I can say that this peeler really works smoothly. So here, as you can see, I am able to peel. So see you after I finish peeling. Thank you guys. So guys, the problem that I face is how to cut this potato into cubic pieces. I have to cut them into cubes. So for that I am going to make 2 halves of this potato, and I think I must cut it one more time, make 2 slices. So I have sliced this and turned it into 2 pieces. Now I'm going to turn them into cubes by holding them together and slicing them off by this way. See, if I wanted, I could have asked Khushbu also for this, but I would like to try by my own. If I get stuck somewhere, definitely I'm going to take the help of Khushbu. But let me try by my own. So you can see I'm trying. As a matter of fact, I'm not used to cooking. I try sometimes, and whenever I try, I always try to outdo Khushbu in whatever I'm going to cook. So as you can see, I have turned them into cubes. I cannot say whether they are cubes or not, but yeah, good slices, I would say. So stay connected. Thank you guys. So guys, as you can see that slicing of potatoes is done. I have sliced all those 3 medium sized potatoes. Now I am going to peel these onions off, and I will slice them into, I think, thin pieces, I would say. Let's get started, everybody. See, as a matter of fact, it is a kind of hard nut to crack when you start chopping onions, because it makes you cry. Really, it makes you cry. So this is the causative sentence, that onions make you cry. So I'm going to try to see whether it makes me cry or not. So guys, as you can see that I have chopped these onions into thin slices, and now guys, I have taken some garlic, and I have cut I think 2 inches of ginger into pieces. But now I have to crush them, so I don't have any mortar, so I'm just going to take this steel glass, and here I'm going to put these pieces of garlic and ginger. Now I need at least a pestle to crush them. So here, as you can see, I have this pestle, but I don't have mortar, so I'm taking the help of this glass and going to crush them. Here we go. Hi guys, so I'm done with the crushing ginger and all. As you can see, this ginger is here, coarse ground, I would say. Now what I'm going to do, my recipe is something different, though I'm going to make Istu, so I am going to marinate them. I'm going to marinate these potato slices along with the onion slices and everything with some spices and all. This is a little different recipe, but it will turn out to be a good Istu vegetable. So here we go. So as you can see that I have these sliced potatoes. I'm going to put them into this bowl, I would say, big bowl. So here we go. Now I am going to put these onions. These are the onions, and I'm going to put them into this bowl. Here we go. Okay. Now I can mix them. So that onion can also get mixed with the potatoes, you know. This is something different. I mean, so many people don't know about this, but I know this way of cooking, making this Istu, so I'm going to do this. Some people might agree, might not agree, no problem. Now what I'll do is, okay, I'll put some curd. As you can see. So I put some curd. I'm going to put some spices also here. So I'm going to start with red chili. First red chili. So is there any spoon here? Okay, I got 1 spoon. First I'm going to put some turmeric, as you can see. 2 spoons of turmeric. Then 2 spoons of red chili powder. Then some garam masala. Then I'll put some salt. Now I have to mix them. My bowl is small. I should have taken some other bowl, but I will manage. No problem. The delicious Istu will be made soon, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to put these, as you can see, this onion, garlic, coarse ground paste. So I'm going to put this. Now guys, everything is ready. Now I'm going to start cooking. So first I need to turn on the gas. So I have this lighter. I'm going to turn on the gas and light it, and here we go. So now it is lit. Now I'm going to put this pan on this gas stove, and let's wait until this pan heats properly. Then I will pour some mustard oil. So I have this mustard oil. So guys, now as you can see that this pot is fully heated. Now I am going to pour some mustard oil, as you can see. So here we go. Oh, it's a new bottle. It's not even opened. So I will have to open it first. Let me put put the flame down to medium. Let me open it. Fine guys, finally I have uncapped it. Now I'm going to pour some mustard oil. As you can see, I think 1 tablespoon of mustard oil is okay. I think this is 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, as you can see. Now I put it. Since the pan is already heated, so I don't need to wait a lot. Now guys, I am going to put some bay leaf. First I'll put some cumin seeds. Cumin seeds means zira. So here we go. Now I'm putting some bay leaves, and I'm putting these red chilies. I have this big cardamom and this, as you can see, the piece of cinnamon. Let's wait. I need to stir them to prevent them from burning. Let me put the flame little low. So the red chilies are absolutely, I think they are almost black. So now I have to put whole thing into this, guys. This is the main thing. So let me try like this. So now guys, I just have to stir time and again. Here we go. Let me stir for 2 minutes. And I'm putting the flame to medium and let it simmer it for at least 2 minutes. I have stirred it one more time to prevent it from burning. Now it is going to simmer. If I want, I can cover this with any lid. So I already have this cooker lid, because this is not a simple pot, this is the cooker. So ultimately I will use this cooker for at least, I will wait for at least 1 whistle. But before that, I'm just going to cover this just like this and wait until it simmers properly. Now I'm back. I'm going to remove this lid and let me stir it for one more time. So guys, as you can see that now it is sticking, so I need to pour some water to prevent it from burning. See, it is sticking now. So what I'll do, I'll put 1 glass of water, but I'm not going to put any cold water. So I'm going to heat some water. So I'm going to use this another stove. So here we go. I have lit it. Now I'm going to put this pot which contains at least 1 glass of water. So I'm going to put it here. Let's wait until it gets totally heated, and after that I'll pour the same water into this. Here it is leaving some oil also, and the same time is sticking also. So let me wait for, I think, 1 or 2 more minutes. See. Again I am going to cover it. So guys, now this water is totally heated. I'm going to remove this lid, and here, yeah, it is sticking now. So what I'll do is I'll pour the same water into this, and then I will put this lid and wait for 1 whistle. So I'm just going to do the same. So I'm going to pour some water. Let me stir it. So you want to see, See, like this. So I have poured some water. Consistency is okay. I don't want so thin consistency. Dense is okay, because if you want to eat Istu, there should not be so much curry. So now I'm going to cover it with the lid and wait for one whistle. Wait for one whistle. Now guys, I just wanted one whistle, but now two whistles are done. I am going to put the flame down. And I'm going to take this all gas out of this. So guys, now all the gas is out. Now I'm going to remove the lid. Yeah. Now see guys, it is almost done. Wow, see how it looks. Look at here guys. See. Good. So guys, all the slices are quite tender. So now I'm going to season it with some coriander leaves. As you can see, I have some coriander leaves. So just this seasoning is going to be done to add some more flavor to it. So after that it will be absolutely ready. Let me stir it. Now see guys, how delicious it looks. And this is the Istu I have cooked guys. So I'm going to turn off the gas from here, and here we go. This is absolutely ready. Now I'm going to taste it. So guys, I have got this small bowl. I'm going to take little Istu just to taste. See guys, let me cover it. It's too hot. Let me cover it. Now guys, let me taste this Istu and I'll tell you about the taste. Aha, Ati Uttam, mind blowing, amazing Istu. Tasty, little spicy because I think I had put 2 spoons of red chili. That's the reason. Otherwise, it tastes great. You can eat this with either chapati or rice. Amazing Istu. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you guys must have liked. And let me tell you the truth, I have not taken any help from Khushbu. ये मैंने खुद बनाया है. So this message goes to all the men out there that if you want, you can cook and serve this food to your family members. They will be very happy. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you. Thank you.